how are you all? It's me Vidya. Today's topic is a very important one. So many people have been asking are there any rules with respect to the vaccination that they may need to take if they are willing to travel to New Zealand? Yes, there are. That is why I'm making this quick video, and let's get started. The New Zealand government has recently published a list which contains, the approved vaccinations which will be considered by the New Zealand government if you are willing to travel to New Zealand. So fortunately, the most heard vaccinations in India, like the Covishield vaccination or the Covaxin, are both in the approved list of the New Zealand vaccination list. So that's a good news for everyone. And there are also many other approved list of vaccinations that there is a list for which I'll put the link of this in the description. Please do see that, and also remember that any individual, though your vaccination is in the approved list, please remember that you need to be fully vaccinated at least 2 weeks before you arrive in New Zealand. So for example, if you have planned for a trip for New Zealand on 15th of December, please make sure that you are fully vaccinated by 1st of December at least. So that is also a requirement. And also there are few exemptions that the New Zealand government is happy to make if you are not fully vaccinated. That is, if you are a New Zealand citizen, then there is no mandatory rule that you need to be vaccinated. You can be vaccinated after coming here. And also for children who are under 17 years of age, they also need not be vaccinated. So that is also an exemption for them. And also, if you have a refugee status, or if you are coming from Afghanistan as a refugee, you also don't need to be vaccinated. So, and there is another important exemption is if you have any medical allergies. Usually that they have heard few examples where they didn't get vaccinated because they are allergic to certain medication, because I know few who are allergic to medications. If that is the reason that you couldn't get vaccinated, that is also considered as an exemption, but you need to get an letter from the medical practitioner that this is the reason that you could not get vaccinated because of your medical reasons. So that is another exemption as well that you can have if you are planning to travel to New Zealand. And there are also certain rules around what are the details that need to be there for the proof that you need to show that you are a fully vaccinated person. So the details which I'm going through now by looking at a place, I will also share the link of this in the description of this video. Please go through that if you have any questions later on. But on a high level, the letter should have your name, the vaccination name, and the number of doses, along with the date on which the vaccination has been given, and the place of the vaccination, and also the hospital name or the practitioner name, whoever has provided you with the vaccination. So all these details need to be there for sure in the proof that you're going to have that you are fully vaccinated to come to New Zealand. So all these details, again, I'll be going to keep this in the description of this video. Please make sure you go through them in case if you have any doubts. So that's all for now. Please take care until I meet you next time. Bye bye.